Y'all, this was supposed to be an unboxing, but child, I done already unboxed it and worn this thing for like a week straight. Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. My name is Alicia and this is Naturally Alicia. I'm gonna start this with a little rant, and the rant is, one day I was on the Coach Outlet website and I like to search for the things that are Coach retail but end up on the Coach Outlet site. And so I found this bag that I had wanted and been thinking about for like probably about a year now, and they had it on here for I think less than $250, and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get it. I am a fan of denim bags. Like, that's just like a everyday, like you can wear it, like that's just like comfy cozy for me. Child is here per usual. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. So I saw the bag, and not the version that I have today, but I saw another version of it. It was probably like 3 o'clock in the morning as I'm scrolling, and so I purchased it. But when it rang up, it was like $500 and not the pretty much 50% off price that was posted on the website. So I immediately called customer service and said, hold on, y'all. Your website said this was supposed to be like $250, but it just charged me $500. What's the problem? And so they confirmed, like, yeah, you're right, we don't know what's going on. And they said, well, we'll take your card number over the phone. Y'all know, in that moment I said, oh no, I'm good, just cancel the order. And I said, just cancel it, and if it's meant to be, something will happen where I will be able to purchase the bag and get it. But I wasn't about to give this person who scam likely, I wasn't about to give you my card information over this phone for you to do, I don't know. And it was the Coach website. Oh. It was like, I just wasn't gonna do it. So probably about a month went by, and the bag crossed my mind again, because you know how the algorithm works. You search for it one time, it pop up in all your searches the next time. And so it popped up on my like feed. I want to say my Instagram feed or my YouTube feed. I was like, oh, let me go see if the person's still available. The one I originally wanted was not available, but they still had this one. It's a chain Tabby in the denim signature. I have my Bath and Body Works spray sanitizer on here as like a purse charm. But oh my gosh, I love this bag. It is so cute. It was my bag for last week. It is so nice. Right now I just have it's like a navy blue leather chain. It has this silver just chunky chain. This is silver, and the rest of it is like just a dark denim. Do I gotta? Oh no, that was just a piece of lint. It is just so fantastic. And this is his card, because he has to show something too. We're family channel. Okay, the inside of it is just like fabric as well. It has 2 compartments. They're both about equal size. This $250. I'm not kidding when I say what the price was. It was like $250, and it's normally upwards of like $500. I want to say $495 may be the exact price, or it may be even more expensive. I don't know. I just knew I didn't really want to pay the full price for it, and so, you know, I found it. I got it. I love it. I'm not really coming to say any more than that. It also comes with a longer strap that I will unbox with you right now, because I haven't so far. Let's just put it all on. And I mean factory sealed, factory wrapped is how it arrived to me. I gotta put that part on somewhere. All these little parts and pieces. So I'm so obsessed with this bag. Okay, and here it is now with the larger chain on it. Do I see myself? Okay, and that hit, so for reference, I'm 4'11", It hits just below my waist, and this is at like the third button from the bottom, so I still have way more space to take it up. Ignore my fingernails, or if I want to make it longer, I have space for that too. But it's just so cute.
What is this?
And there's the other child. Don't worry about it. I am only here to give a first impression of this bag. I have worn it this week. Oh, I didn't even show you the bottom. It just has these two sections, kind of like the inside, but it's just kind of accordion on the bottom that helps it to stand. No feet. I think the way that it's made is so that it can act like feet, but this is perfect. I love this. Like, I have on right now a sweater and some jeans. This is perfect with it. It's casual, but it's still a little bit elevated because of like the chain detail. Oh my goodness. This is my first Tabby.
No.
And I'm so happy that it's a chain Tabby, and I'm so happy that it's in denim, because you know, denim bags have a special place in my heart. So that's this bag. If you were considering purchasing it, I definitely would recommend. Quiet children means it's time to go. That's my alarm to wrap it up. Definitely recommend. Check the Coach Outlet. Check the Coach Outlet website. It may still be there. But yeah, this is the Coach chain Tabby in the small size. So they have a couple different sizes, but this is the small size, and it's a good size. But all right, thank you all for watching. If you want to know more about this bag, or if you have this bag, girl, let me know. Girl, guy, person. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.